To make an exchange on Fswap, select a cryptocurrency pair, enter the amount, and provide your wallet address. You can choose between two exchange modes, market and fixed. If you want to receive an exact amount of crypto, we recommend choosing fixed mode. If needed, you can also enter your email address. This way, you'll automatically receive all the details of your exchange. If you're already registered, you don't need to enter anything. The information will be sent to you automatically. After clicking the exchange button, you will see the deposit address. You can copy it or scan the QR code. Make sure to send the exact amount to this address. Once the transaction is detected, you will see the status, "Waiting for confirmation." This means we are waiting for the required number of network confirmations. After that, the exchange will be processed automatically. Once the exchange is completed, you will receive a transaction hash, which confirms that the funds have been successfully sent to your wallet. Thank you for using Fswap. Feel free to leave us feedback. We really appreciate it.